To start using North Star Online Learning, or NSOL, go to our homepage and click Login. Enter your email address and click Next. The page will show the next step for logging in. If the page asks for your password, enter your password and click Login. If you forgot your password, click Reset My Password. If you use Gmail to log in, a button will appear that says Log in with Google. Click on the button and then log into Gmail using your Gmail password. If you are already logged into Gmail, you will be automatically logged into North Star. After you log in, the site may ask where you are. Some locations use this for record keeping. When you log in, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard has places where you can take assessments or work through practice lessons. To work on practice lessons, find a topic and click Lessons. Then, click Start Practice. The practice lessons have videos, examples, and practice questions. When you are done watching a video or answering a question, click Next at the bottom of the screen. To go back, click the Back button in your browser. Each practice module has multiple sections, and each section has one or more lessons. You can see the title of the module and the title of the current lesson at the top of the screen. To see the other lessons, click the Menu button. To go to a lesson, click on the title of the lesson. When you finish a lesson, it will have a green check mark next to it. Each section also has review questions. After you finish all of the lessons in a section, the review questions will unlock. The practice screen has several useful buttons to help you learn. The language button lets you change the language. The CC button turns on closed captioning. Closed captioning shows the audio as text you can read on the screen. The sound button turns the sound on or off. The expand button will make the screen fill the whole page. The replay button will play the audio again. If you click the number under the replay button, you can increase or decrease the audio speed. To go back to the dashboard, click North Star Online Learning at the top. At some locations, you can also use the dashboard to take an assessment. To do so, click Take an Assessment anywhere on the dashboard. This will take you to the testing launch page where you can choose an assessment. Please remember, you can only take each assessment 2 times per day. If you do not see a Take Assessment button on the dashboard, please ask your teacher for more information on how to take an assessment.